fast. Hayaku? That's so fast.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh, that's good.
Arigatou gozaimasu. またお願いします。
Hello everyone, I'm here now in Dotonbori. Okay, so this is the famous Don Quixote, the big famous Don Quixote. I think there is a Ferris wheel. There you go. See, it's very high. Now this is the river. Alright, as you can see. Okay, so today I'll be traveling by myself only. So I just checked out from the hotel, but I still wanna roam around Osaka, and I haven't gone here in the morning with Mary. But Mary's already at home because she went home early today. She has to do something very important. Alright, so let's roam around Osaka. You're so fast. Hayaku? That's so fast. Oh, that's good. Okay, so now I'm trying the famous takoyaki here in Dotonbori. So here it is. I actually tried the one of them. So I'm gonna eat for, this is actually my breakfast. This is brunch. Yeah, brunch. Okay, so there you go. So I'm gonna eat this. So good. Yeah. Here. And it's hot. I like it because it's also spicy. This is so nice. Okay. I'm gonna eat first. Alright, see you later. Hello, so I'm done here in Dotonbori. So as you can see, that's the famous Running Man there, over there. Yeah, so he's very famous. He's a Filipino. And that's why I want to visit this place, because of him. Yeah, alright, so I'm gonna go to Osaka Castle this time. Okay, so let's go there and let's see the beautiful castle of Osaka.
扉が閉まります。ご注意ください。
Hello guys. Okay, so I'm here again. Yeah, this is a nice place. This is actually stairs going to Osaka Castle. I'm not really sure why I'm taking this way, but yeah, it's okay. It's for experience. All right. Yeah, so there are only few people today, and this park is so nice. I like this park. Yeah, it's so solemn everywhere. See? Okay, let me go first to the castle so I can go home early today. All right. I'm so tired because of the stairs. All right, so I'll see you later. Hello, I'm here now in Osaka Castle. Thank you for being with me today. I'm gonna end this vlog because it's also our last travel here in Osaka. Okay, so thank you again. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you, Osaka Castle. You're so beautiful. It's nice to see you today. Okay, thank you.